Good evening, welcome back to my channel. Today I will do the simple part for beginners. I'll start new part file. Make a sketch on the top plane. Put a circle on the origin, diameter 160 millimeters. Get some lines from that point there, go straight vertically, go across and come back and meet the circle. Make sure it's vertical. Dimension from the origin to this base bottom line there, 225 millimeters. Once again, get some more lines. Okay, let's get a center line first because you need to one line here going up, go across and come down. Now we need to get that center of this line and line it up vertically with the origin. Pick that, hold control and pick the origin and go relation vertical. Now give it dimension from this edge to this line of 30 millimeters. Now from this line to this line will be 125 millimeters. Let's clean up the sketch here, trim this line and trim that line. Our sketch is fully defined. Now I can make an extrusion from here. Let's okay that. Now I close the sketch. Extrude both plates, blind 50 millimeters. Now let's get a full round fillet on these edges. Pick this face, pick that face, and that face. You get a full round fillet. Then another one on the other side. This face, that face, and this face. There's a fillet there. Now make a sketch on the right plane. Just go normal too. Get some lines. Draw a line going up, go back to the edge of that line, you come up with an arc, draw the circle and close the sketch. Now let's dimension. That will be 50 millimeters. Distance from the origin to that center is 100 millimeters. And distance from this edge to the center is 36.5 millimeters. Our sketch is fully defined. Close sketch and make an extrusion. Now this extrusion needs to start from that surface. So start from surface, pick this surface, and it must also end on the next surface. So pick the surface there. I got it. Can you reuse the sketch? Extrude. Again, the same thing, start from the surface and end on the surface. Start from this surface and end on the outside surface. Lovely. Got that thing there. Now let's go for the whole wizard. I've used this thing before, so it's a counterbore, 20 millimeters, counterbore 36, counterbore depth is 5 millimeters. And must go up to next position. No, not 3D. Go back. Position, pick this face. Now I'm going to put the hover on the edge of the arc and get the center. As I get hovering on the edge, wakes up the center. There's the center there. Okay, got our holes there. Now we need to mirror these holes onto the other side. Mirror across right plate. There you got our holes there. Now Make a sketch on the right plane. Need to make this cut there. Make a rectangle. Just drag this until it locks into that position there. Another one. Then you define your sketch. Now make an extrude cut to all both. There's a cut there. Now make a sketch on this face. Draw a circle of 130 millimeters diameter. Another one of 50 millimeters diameter. Close sketch. Extrude cut. The big one will be 35 millimeters depth. That's 35 millimeters. Use the sketch. The smaller one will be through. Now our budget tray is shaping up now. Lovely. Now make a sketch on this face. Just draw a rectangle. Line that point up vertically with the origin. Now get the dimensions. That dimension there is 15 millimeters. This one is 20 millimeters. That fully defines our sketch. Now let's cut. Let's sketch, go extrude cut. You can just make it through. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. There's a lot to learn here. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.